हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस। मैं हूं अर्पिता शर्मा, आपकी एजुकेटर, और आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं बैटल ऑफ बक्सर। सो बैटल ऑफ बक्सर इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बैटल। ये आपके बोनस बैटल क्लासेस हैं जो हम कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं। दीज आर द बोनस बैटल क्लासेस दैट वी आर कंडक्टिंग, एंड बैटल ऑफ बक्सर हैज बीन the most decisive battle, which the people say that it paved the way for expansion and consolidation of the British Empire in India. कहा जाता है कि ब्रिटिश एम्पायर भारत में जो एक्सपैंड हुआ, जो कंसोलिडेट किया उन्होंने सारे टेरिटरीज को, पूरे कंट्री को एक स्ट्रेटेजिक वे में कोलोनाइज किया, उसका श्रेय जाता है बैटल ऑफ बक्सर को। बैटल ऑफ बक्सर में जो उनकी विक्ट्री होती है, उसके बाद ब्रिटिश एक्सपेंशन को रोकना मुश्किल हो गया था। सो व्हाई बैटल ऑफ बक्सर हैज बीन रिगार्डेड एज द डिसाइसिव बैटल इन द मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री, and why it led to the strategic expansion and consolidation of the British Empire in India. Let us study that. And the class PDF will be uploaded on a Telegram channel, Simplifying UPSC with Ease. You can directly download the lecture PDF from there. आप क्लास के PDFs को हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से आराम से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास। ठीक है, लेट अस स्टार्ट विद टुडेज लेक्चर सीरीज. Also, do not forget to join the channel membership at just ₹59. We are providing modern Indian history course for both prelims and mains. Channel पे आप जाओगे, you will see a join button on the channel. Click on it. Pay for the channel membership. It is just ₹59, and at ₹59 you are getting the comprehensive complete course on modern Indian history. Daily lectures are uploaded which covers your prelims and mains history portion, modern Indian history portion. तो जैसे ही मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री खत्म होगा, हम अपना एंशिएंट और मिडिवल को भी खत्म करेंगे, फिर हम वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री लेकर आएंगे। तो आज ही चैनल मेंबरशिप को ज्वाइन कीजिए. इट स्टार्ट्स विद जस्ट ₹59 per month. Let's start. Battle of Buxar. When we talk about the Battle of Buxar, we know that this battle had far-reaching implications in the consolidation of British Empire in India. Basically, ये जो बैटल था आपका, इसने भारत के जो पॉलिटिको, राइट इट डाउन, द पॉलिटिको एंड इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस जो हैं, इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस जो हैं, उनको ट्रिगर किया था या इन्फ्लुएंस किया था, स्पेशली इन बंगाल. It shook the politico-economic history of Bengal. So now over here, unlike the Battle of Plassey, which was more of British conspiracy, the Battle of Buxar was a full-fledged war. It established the British prowess in warfare. Battle of Plassey we studied in the last lecture. It was British conspiracy, as we all know. British conspired to defeat the opposing forces. Okay, but here in this Battle of Buxar, it was a full-fledged war. Here we saw the defeat of great Mughal house, which was very significant because it stamped the British troops as one of the potent forces of the Indian subcontinent. So the Battle of Buxar was a decisive battle which defined Britishers as the ruler, and it took place on 23rd of October 1764. You have to remember the year. Please remember the year. Okay. Now Buxar is a small town in Bihar which is on the banks of river Ganga, and this battle took place between two parties. The combined armies of Mir Qasim, who was from Bengal, Shuja-ud-Dawla, Awadh, and Shah Alam II, Mughal, and East India Company, which was led by Hector Munro. Now let us understand. See, Battle of Buxar जो है यहाँ पर मिर कासिम उनकी combined armies के बीच में और ब्रिटिश आर्मी के बीच में हुआ था. ये पॉइंट आपको याद रखना है. ठीक है. Now here, why did Mir Qasim participate in this battle? Because he disliked the misuse of dastak और फरमान्स बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स. ब्रिटिशर्स जितने भी फरमान्स, ऑर्डर्स हैं मुगल्स के, उनको उसका मिसयूज कर रहे थे. दैट इज व्हाई मिर कासिम डिसाइडेड टू कॉन्स्पायर अगेंस्ट द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी बाय फॉर्मिंग एन अलायंस विद नवाब ऑफ अवध, शुजा-उद-दौला, एंड मुगल एम्परर शाह आलम II. Okay. Now, why did Shuja-ud-Dawla participate? Because he was a part of confederacy with Mir Qasim and Shah Alam II. Shuja-ud-Dawla was, at the side of Mir Qasim. And why did Shah Alam II participated in the battle? Because he wanted to overthrow the English from Bengal. Shah Alam II तो चाहते ही थे ब्रिटिशर्स यहाँ से भाग कर निकले. He knew that Britishers were misusing the orders in the farmans. And Hector Munro, he led the battle from the English side. And it is said that Robert Clive also had a very important role in this battle, because after the end of the battle, he signed the treaties with Shuja-ud-Dawla and here Shah Alam आफ्टर विनिंग द बैटल। शाह आलम के साथ और शुजा उद दौला के साथ रॉबर्ट क्लाइव ने ही ट्रीटी साइन की थी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट. That is why his role is also important. Before we move forward, here's a small announcement for all of you. Unacademy has launched new batches for UPSC CSE 2021, 22 and 23 aspirants which are starting from 21st of July. We have the Phoenix revision batch for 2021 aspirant. It's a revisionary batch. So if you are preparing for 2021, you have 2.5 months remaining. In these 2.5 months, we can help you revise all your syllabus in a very efficient manner with also simultaneously solving tests. So you can participate in the Phoenix revision batch, which is for English medium student also, Hindi medium student also, and those also who understand both Hindi and English. These batches are starting from 21st July. Then we have 1-year batch for 2022 aspirants. You can use code ARPITA10 to get 10% discount on your plus subscription. The links to all these batches are given below in the description box. If you are looking for an optional guidance, Unacademy provides you one subscription to crack it all. Now you can take GS Plus optional combo subscription on Unacademy Plus and get 35% discount plus free optional test series. These are worth rupees 15,000, but we are providing them free of cost if you take this optional combo package. Now 25% discount you will get with this optional and GS combo pack, 10% discount by using this code ARPITA10 and free optional test series. You can take your 1-year or 2-year subscription as per the convenience of your exam. The offer ends on 21st July. ये जो 15,000 की टेस्ट सीरीज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ऑप्शनल की आपको मिल रही है ना, आप ये जो ऑफर है 21 जुलाई तक ही वैलिड है. So make sure that you take your subscription today. So Battle of Buxar, here we will see, I have told you already that Battle of Buxar is a small fortified town within territory of Bihar. It was fought between British East India Company and combined armies of Mir Qasim, Shuja ud Daula, Shah Alam II in 1764. And here the Battle of Buxar was won by the Britishers, and at the end of the battle a treaty was signed between Robert, the East India Company, and the Indian rulers who were fighting in this battle. So Robert Clive signed 2 treaties, each with Shuja ud Daula and Shah Alam II, and the treaty was signed in 1765, known as the Treaty of Allahabad. Now let us understand the historical background of the battle. Now Mir Qasim, what he did, Mir Qasim, he fled to Awadh. He planned a confederacy with Shuja ud Daula and Shah Alam II, and the combined armies of Mir Qasim, Shuja ud Daula and Shah Alam II stood against the English army troops in 1764. Now the conspiracy or the planning that Mir Qasim, Shuja ud Daula and Shah Alam II did was to overthrow English from Bengal. East India Company soldiers were directed by Major Munro, and when Major Munro defeated the soldiers of Mir Qasim, Shuja ud Daula and Shah Alam II, a treaty of Allahabad was signed in 1765. When Mir Qasim lost, what he did, he absconded, ये भाग गए. यहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हो, Mir Qasim fled away the scene, but Shuja ud Daula and Shah Alam II surrendered to the East India Company, and that is why a Treaty of Allahabad was signed. English became the great power in North India after this battle, and English permitted duty-free trade in Bengal except for a duty of 2% on salt. English जो थे, Britishers जो थे, उनको परमिशन मिल गई ड्यूटी फ्री ट्रेड की बंगाल में, यानी कि कोई किसी तरीके का टैक्स या ड्यूटी उनको पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बस 2% टैक्स उन्हें सॉल्ट पे करना पड़ेगा. Now Treaty of Allahabad was signed by Robert Clive with 2 leaders. One treaty was signed with Shuja ud Daula, second was signed with Shah Alam II. Now in the treaty between Robert Clive and Shuja ud Daula, it was finalized that Shuja ud Daula will surrender Allahabad and Kara to Shah Alam II. Shuja ud Daula क्या करेंगे, Shah Alam II को Allahabad सरेंडर कर देंगे, and Shuja ud Daula will pay rupees 50 lakh to East India Company. 50 lakh will be the war indemnity, the compensation, कि भाई ब्रिटिशर्स को कितना नुकसान हुआ इस वॉर में, तो इंडेमनिटी पे करेंगे Shuja ud Daula. And he will give Balwant Singh, who was the जमींदार of Banaras, full possession of his estate. अपने पूरे estate की full possession बलवंत सिंह को दी जाएगी. बलवंत सिंह was under East India Company only. Now the treaty between Robert Clive and Shah Alam II was that finally Shah Alam II will reside at Allahabad under East India Company's protection. So he will be like a puppet ruler now. अब ये क्या हो जाएंगे, एक तरीके से puppet ruler हो जाएंगे. And he will grant Diwani of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha to East India Company. Diwani means a kind of you can say control over Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, control over trade. to East India Company and annual payment of rupees 26 lakh to East India Company. So these were the proposals, these were the pointers of the treaty which was signed by Robert Clive with Shuja-ud-Dawla and Shah Alam II. So this was the Battle of Buxar. ये था आपका Battle of Buxar. I hope you enjoyed this lecture series. I hope you gained a lot of knowledge and information about Battle of Buxar. We will come back with a new battle next Sunday.